Hello, hello, is it streaming yet? Forgot to start Firefox. Okay. Let's go here. Testing the streaming, getting started. Yep, I think it's working. Yep, I think audio is working. Cool. So, cool. That's my little audio mixer. Oh, is the idea to do that or something? Okay. Let's get going. I think I can run. No, I need to basically stay on time today. So I have a couple hours. So I want to keep going. It's a time-consuming process. So let me just kind of say where I am and get my bearings. Just came from a phone call. All right. So we continue to work on Chatfield. Chatfield is a conversational data collector, like an HTML form or a PDF form or in a paper form. There's kind of keys and values. There's fields and values. So in two languages, both in the server context or in a browser context, you can have this conversation. So what I've been working on specifically, I can go to the wiki and check it out, is not so much this. Nope, not so much that. This. Right here. Using Claude Code, using a plugin to ship software, and using that software to be Chatfield to drive this conversation, to have a chat about any PDF form. That's the point. And so I'm going to continue. Let's go. I'm ready to jump in. I'm ready to make some velocity. So, okay. I remember where I left off. There was a bunch of stuff. Oh, there's another bug here. I think I know what I could do. Let me do this. Let's just do that. So, where were we? Okay, so here's Python. So let me kind of clean this up. TypeScript is good. Clean it up. Here we were actually trying to fill these PDF forms. Okay. Let's clean this out just for a fresh start. So now I remember I had generated a ton of stuff, that I didn't want to check in. Geez, a make file? Whew. No. That's not bad though. So let's go there. The filling forms. We'll go into this skill. I think I should rename the skill. I now kind of understand the skills a little bit. So okay. So what's going on here? Makefile. Whew. We don't want, oh my God, emojis in the makefile. Okay. Oh God. It's like looking into the sun. Oh. Okay. All right. It made I don't want to bring in a Java dependency just for simplicity's sake. Yeah, no. We're getting rid of Java. SVG? No. Workflow and architecture? So README? No. No, this is all nonsense. I don't know what I was prompting it or doing, but this is ridiculous. Stop it. Huh. Okay. Architecture, not plan, UML, filling forms. Architecture may be decent, and the workflow, I don't know the difference. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I don't know why it does that. Right. There's two of these. I kind of like this one. I kind of like this one. It's this workflow, or it's a sequence diagram. It's basically like a sequence diagram. And what I'd love to do is remove this. The point is, the reason you have agents is to outsource context window size, right? So the point is, this is all totally transparent to the filling PDF forms skill here. So then from there, this is kind of neat. And the point is, no one will read this visually. This will just be in XML. And that XML will just go into the skill.md file, or maybe a reference. And I'm hoping it'll follow the procedure more reliably, more consistently. However, this is, I think, like kind of the wrong level of detail. As usual, the language models just kind of copied it all. Not equals? What? It's terrible. Okay. User language. Yeah, not equal. I don't know about that. That's cool. ISO 639-1. Right. Aha. This is also progressive. So this is a bit of a progressive disclosure problem. That's my next little challenge here. This translation setup. I think I know the answer would be to keep it all high level for that skill.md. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Very cool. And then what in the world is this? What is this? What? Okay. Landgraph state machine. Oh my God, it read the source code. This is source code. There's some loops. Jeez. Why? Oh my God. So here's the user. Why? So there's arrows out. Provide answers, ask questions. Oh yeah. I mean, I guess this is all true. It's just not clear to me why it's useful. Done. Yeah. Fill this PDF. Fillable fields. This is not useful. I mean, it would be slightly useful, but in a world where any LLM could generate this hot just in time, anytime I need, it's not clear to me why I need this. This is weird. Image converter. Yeah. All right, good. So we don't need the architecture at all. That's one thing. And then I want to break. I know what I want to do. Let's get going. Yeah. So the architecture can go away, and the architecture.plantUML can go away. Okay. Is it? With the UML. I said XML earlier. The UML. Okay. This is kind of good. There's the workflow. Oh. Run the NPM test suite. Well, I wonder if it's something about, well, hey, NPM always ran for me. Maybe it's because of skipping. Ah, good. Good, it's consistent. That's good to see. I was just skipping it, but for the improperly. Okay, good. So I have quota problems. That's fine. Oh, maybe it's not like auto fill. That might be sensible. Okay. So that's good to know. That's not the problem for today. So why did these references change? What's changed here? Oh, my XML tags that I asked for. Let's just read it all. That's readable in the editor. Let's just go read it all. So, tons of stuff changed. Let's see. So skill.md. What's changed here? Hey, what happened to my thing? It's supposed to always be on top. Okay. Okay. So, this is for the skill. I think this is no good. Hey, Google, stop. I think this is no good. Hey, Google, stop. Okay. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. 4 each. Very cool. The thing is, it's not about natural conversation. It's about transform rigid PDF forms into a data model. I don't know if I like any of this. Right. Extract, build the form data model, optional translation, maybe. No, I don't. The thing was, I didn't want to even mention translation because it was making so many mistakes. Trying to sort of be helpful. Okay. Build the data model. Then the interview. Yep, okay. Be methodical, follow validation checklist, and ensure data accuracy. Okay. Trigger phrases. I don't think that's all. This is bad. No, this is bad. I don't know if I like role. Complete PDF forms. No, I'm not going to change it. It triggers successfully. Let me just not change that. Because that's the point, is this front matter is how it triggers. This is the limited context. And so the progressive disclosure begins with it saying, aha, on the basis of these fields here, we're going to run this thing. So it's already decided to run. So I don't like this. Role, your mission. I don't like it. Let's just be decisive. It's gone. Or yeah, let's just take the old one. When to use this skill. Trigger phrases, PDF types, that's all bad. Okay, so this workflow overview is not bad. Step 1. Form, wait. The whole thing's rewritten. Phew. Okay. Hold on. It was like, I don't know if this is good. No. I don't think this is good. I think I'd almost rather just reject all of this. I don't think I like this. This is way too heavy of a change to do at once. So do I want anything? No. I don't want this. Decision tree. Yeah. Translational validation. Okay. No. I'm just going to not take it. There's so many changes everywhere. Okay, so we're rejecting this entire skill. .md update. Okay, discard. Next. API reference. Aha. Metadata. Contents. That seems useless. That seems kind of useless. I think that's useless. Okay. Converting to Chatfield. This is great. Correct. Correct. Form data model. Okay. Definition. Very cool. The Chatfield definition must be as accurate. So actually, that's the point, was to make it. There we go. Critical principle. The form data model must be as accurate and faithful as possible to the source PDF. Downstream code will not see the PDF anymore. Right. The interview must create the illusion that the AI agent is holding the form on a clipboard. Oh, that just literally copied me? That's lame. Do some work. Sonnet 4.5. Speaking to the user. The illusion, right. What? Writing information. Okay. All from the... Yep. This means every field, every instruction, every validation rule from the PDF must be captured in the interview definition. Yes. Fine. Okay, and then everything's the same. And then what's at the bottom? Validation checklist. Cool. So, validation checklist. Before proceeding, all field IDs are mapped. No field IDs duplicated or missing. All cast names use exact PDF field IDs. That doesn't have to be that way. You don't have to cast that way. Let's take that out. Fan out patterns use .as whatever with PDF field IDs as cast name. That's correct. Split patterns use as whatever with or empty. Okay, fine. Discriminate plus split uses as whatever for mutually exclusive fields. What? Discriminate? Discriminate plus split pattern. Oh, whoa. Yikes. Okay, we'll keep it. Expand pattern. Conclude. Nah. Wait, conclude is only. Yes. Fine. Alice traits include extracted form knowledge. The interview definition? Yeah. Yeah. Field hints provide context from PDF instructions. Optional fields explicitly marked optional. Cool. Must use sparingly. Only true content requires. Yeah. As used liberally. Yeah. Fine. We don't have to say as used liberally. Field description questions are natural. You know what I want to say? I know what I want to say. Formatting logic uses .as to convert, not DESC, right? Not or what, trait? Or not trait, what am I trying to say? Hint. Formatting. Okay, hopefully that's good. Validation checklist. If any items fail, review the issue, fix it, rerun. Yep. Before proceeding. Okay. All right, I like it. I kind of like that. Let's just take that. This is a small update. Model. Okay, whatever. Populating. Yeah, this is just massive changes everywhere. I don't know if I want it. JSON format. No, it went way too far. No. I don't like it. No. Nope. Translating. Okay. Cross-language form completion, where the user speaks one language and the form is in another. Correct. Now there needs to be a dang valid in this validation. The big thing that it did wrong. Oh, this is building the translation. Okay. Let's go. So there's the purpose. The form data model was already created in the form's language. Do not recreate it. Whatever. Fine. Okay, whatever. And then what is this? The validation checklist. Okay. Created interview.lang. Yep. Oh, add Alice trait. Speaks user language to Bob. I guess it's been going okay that it's English here. Oh, let's just, okay. Translates Bob responses into the form. Explains terms. Yeah. Uh-huh. This needs help. No. Okay, so we'll take that. This is just minor stuff again. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll add that in. So last time we did building the data model. Let's just do this. That's fine. Translation, that's fine. Okay, so translation's checked in. What else? Non-fillables. I kind of don't care. Again, no, we're not doing this. Filling's the bomb. Filling. Fillable forms. Oh! No. No. The bugs were too minor for a massive, massive rewrite like this. I don't like it. Permission denied. Nope. Examples. I just don't want to rewrite. I just don't want to rewrite. It is full of examples. That's cool. Agent performing extraction. What? I don't think that's good. I don't like it. I don't like it. Convert. Step ID equals 4. Okay, no. No. Let's revert and keep testing. It was close. It was already pretty close, so no. Revert. Discard. All right, so now what is this? This is the command. Oh my God. It wrote all this? No. Cross-language form. No, no, no. No, no, no. Mm-mm. PNG. Oops. Okay. So then what is this extracting? This is the agent. So this could possibly work. Extraction agent. Your identity. I don't know about this. This seems dumb. Your communication style. No. Your output. Structure field metadata files. That's kind of cool. Let's do this. That role. So we'll take that. That's okay. We'll take that. I think the rest of it I might skip. Inputs. PDF path, absolute. Let's take inputs. And then let's do this. I want that back. Stop it. Yes. Whoops. Yeah. Something like that. That's fine. Task overview. Skill. To extract the form field data from the PDF. Task summary. The skill will automatically do all these things. Fine. Perfect. Base name. Fine. I don't know about all that. Examples? No. No, no, no. Automatically do all this stuff. This is all fine. So what is this? I want this input. Where is that? Come here. Yes. Fine. Fine. Good. Good. Fine. Here it is. Yeah, fine. I kind of like this. Thinking. I kind of like that, and then I think I hate everything else. Yeah. What is this? Output. Yeah. So let's do this. I'm going to revert and then paste in what I like. Yeah. That's cool. Thinking. We'll take it. Okay, so the output. I don't think... Nope, I don't want this. I don't want it. No, thank you. Okay, done. Pretty simple. Anything not committed? Good. Extraction agent. All right. Okay, so let's get back to, yeah, I know, OpenAI. Okay, so clear. Let me see about, maybe I just have like OpenAI budget. What is it? Dashboard? Yeah. Maybe it's just like a budget or something. Maybe I'm not doing autofill. Where's my like account? I was looking at this today. I haven't used the API key. Do I have like an account? Profile? Here we go, yeah. Billing. Limits. Yeah, $200. What's my usage? I looked at my usage, it was very small. Oh, whoa. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know my problem. I'll check later. I don't know. Okay. Okay. What is it? Filling PDF forms skills or just the entire? I think I want to do, yeah, for the skill. Yeah. Plant UML file. Then, and we need these changes. So we need that map to each MD file, right? Progressive disclosure. Okay, then what, so I think like remove everything about the extraction. Is that what it is? So what are my skills? Filling it, yeah, extracting. Only applies to the filling. Stop it. Skill. Okay. So at the top level, so what is it? I think that should be pretty close. Let's try it. And then, can I do this? Oops. Yep. Can I say Claude? How can I turn, yeah. Ooh, I haven't read my release notes, so I can read my, like a visual using either Python, stop it, or Node. Where's my water? Find me a package. Docker? Ooh, Docker's not bad. NPX. NPX is also not bad. We could do NPX. Python. What? Oh, yeah. I don't want to query this remote API. Nah, that's cool though. Plant UML requires Java? I don't know about that then. So Node has one? And Docker seems to have them. Let's definitely try Node. I'll challenge it to write Node. Ooh, red commits. I like red commits. You don't see them too often. Okay. Cool. Emojis in the make file. I just wasn't expecting that. This emojis in the make file. I don't know why. It seems like a culture clash. I don't think that one's an old one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see if that's right. Good. Workflow.png. Here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Neat. Cool. Mm-hmm. Better. Much better. Can you give me like an npx command? Okay. Okay, and it claims to be done. Okay. So we have all new stuff, and I'm quickly going to have a much better ability to look at the UML as an image. NPX. Come on, Schwartz. Workflow test. Did it work? Oh, it deleted it? Okay. Okay. Can you make npm to okay. So I'm going to have an npm script that will convert them. It's going to be a little bit gnarly, but that's fine. Okay. So then you didn't commit it, did you? Oh no. Oh, that's bad. Wait. apologize to it. I said no new scripts, and then I want npm scripts, but I think it knows what I mean. Perfect. NodeMon? Okay. Oh, cool. And it just runs that script? No, I want to do npx. You going to make me do a script? I just told you I don't want a script. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, that could work. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Okay. Find exec node. No. Look, it changed its mind in the middle of doing this. It totally changed its mind. Wait. I want no new .js scripts. What is it doing? Yeah, this is not. Okay. Okay. Key changes. So this thing claims to be done. I kind of want to go read it. Woo, work plant UML. Okay, skill. Come on, npm run plant UML. Yeah, 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 that's what I want. That's what I want. Exactly. I want one little gnarly command that runs. And otherwise, everything's kind of tidy. I want to sweep all the dust into one little pile, right? Yeah. Because for all I know, this is a bad idea. I may need to not use this. Who knows? Although I've used plant UML in the past with the language model. It's awesome. Okay. What's it looking like now? Good. Okay, good. So in TypeScript then, which is where I belong. Ah, good. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. So we got our packages. Git add package lock. We could just do. Let's just see if there's a dev. So no. Yeah, so these dev dependencies. Yep. Node mod. That's fine. Yep. So we'll take that. npm install dash dev. Or is it? Is it dev? Encoder? Weird. All right, so that's in package. That's in, and then indifferently, we've got the script. So let's try that. npm run plant UML. So it finds it. Oh my god, the emoji. Okay. Oh dear, it's still running a script. It just made a one-liner. Yikes. All right. That's just barely long enough to be acceptable. That's hilarious. Oh, it's curling. Ah. It's curling as well. Okay, well, let's just see what they look like then. Yeah, let's just see what they look like. close this and just like browse it, huh? Finds all plant UML. Yeah, whatever. Okay. PD. Here we are in the skills. So here's some. Okay, these are good. Oh wait, the extracting. This is the extracting skill. So I think no, I don't like it. I think I don't like any of this. We're not going to take that. Okay, so cleaning up slightly, then what? Filling PDF forms. All right, so I'm going to just get rid of that workflow. On. So now we have a .plantUML, .png, .plantUML, .png, .plantUML, .png. Perfect. So that's the workflow. Neat. Perfect. Perfect. User provides. So this is the filling. So they provide it to complete. The goal is to produce basename.done.pdf populated with user data. Yes. So then the skill runs. Neat. Great. Okay, I know what I want to do. Let's start updating. Great. This is awesome. So let me drop into Vim here. So this is good. This is good. Okay, so invoke and the outputs. Yeah, okay. Okay, changes to make to, what is this? Workflow. Right. Right. So step one, let's see, what does that look like? This is awesome. Vim workflow.plant. Step one. Yeah, no note write, exactly. No note write. Extracting. Yeah, no note write. Yeah, step two, no note write. Correct. Translation decision. So I think we'll keep it. We'll keep it. Change from the predicate to user, right? Okay. Use the base form data model. Yeah, no note write. Actually, I think I want no note writes. Step 4, no note write. Translation setup. I think there's no note writes anywhere in this entire thing. Progressive disclosure. Okay, perfect. File. No note, remove all. Okay. Change the translation description. Yep. Let's just start there. Yeah, and I'll start working on the next one. So that's the workflow. So that's pretty cool. So it's going to say you run the interview server. This is kind of not bad. Server generates a question, displays to the user. This is cool. I think this is it's going to be quite concise language. All fields collected. No. Yes. I'm going to see the standard out. And then you're going to populate the PDF. Uh-huh. And then that's a success. Totally. Good, 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 good. So then I rerun my NPM step. Wait, what? Learning workflow has changed. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep. Let's rerun that NPM step. And then this should update. Come on, Schwartz. Ha ha ha. Yes. Very good. Very good. So what this, so Vim, where are we? Whoops, Vim workflow.plant. So that's the, yeah, that's a pretty dense way of saying that, you know, this is this. But the flow of it, like there's a lot of information, of course, with these little arrows kind of mean a lot, right? So this is awesome. Boom, we extract, we build the data model, we make a translation decision. If it's the same, then we use the base model. And if it's not, we translate, we translation setup. Yeah, sure. Then we run the interview server. Yes, that server is going to generate a question. And this is perfect. This green square is exactly what I've been describing as like temporary and scaffolding or something, like any mechanism to communicate with the person through any channel is good. I don't know what the best is. I can tell you it is not what I built. But it's a scaffold. You know, scaffolding is not, scaffolding solves a different problem than the final thing. So, and then you populate. Totally. Detailed diagrams. Stop it. I'm going to drop that. Stop those detailed diagrams. Stop it. Legend, right. Detailed diagrams. No, I don't want a legend. No legend. No legend. Rebuild. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah. Make it again. Correct. Good. Mm-hmm. Oh, let's try the, okay, I know what I want. I'm going to make it do the Docker version 2 now. So that's good. Was it this Claude? Resume. Plant UML. This is it. Images in Python or Node. Here we are. Okay, they're all converted. Now show me what Docker approach would be. Show me Docker. Okay. Thank you. So that's the workflow. That's awesome. And that's the most important one because that goes into the skill.md. Because the point is I'm thinking of putting this whole file in the skill.md. It's going to be plant UML in the skill.md. I don't know. I could reference it. Cool. What else? What am I going to do? I'll use this window. Claude. Skills, filling. Okay. Next. References, yeah. So, converting to PDF. Let's see, yeah. Yikes. Yikes. So this is, I think, no, we don't want any write notes ever, Bob. Right, no. So let's just take all these write notes out. Yes. And no legend. Okay, perfect. Wait, did it work? Docker run? Ooh, cool. Self-contained, yeah. Lower resolution, really? No, I don't want requires internet. Yes. Add Docker as an alternative. Exactly. Let's try the Docker version as well. Next, remove all write note. Yeah, there we go. Plant UML Docker. Yeah, okay, we'll try. Okay, so it's saved that, so we could try that. npm run plant UML : Docker. Aw, is that working? Or not? Let's try it. Oh, I'm fighting with my Claude Code here. Hold on, let's wait. Plant UML's updated. Good, no node writes. Thank you. No node writes. We don't want node write. We don't want node write. We just want to capture that structure. And then I did definitely, speaking of which, I wanted to fix the... I want to ensure that the loop is captured in this plant UML. Okay, Docker. Okay, so let's try it. Use server-based. Why? Okay. I don't understand why it's better quality. Okay. Okay. I need to wrap up. Something just came up. So let's see. Let's see. I think this is good. Let's see how it feels to run them. Make a new terminal. My work. Okay. Ignore EOF. Okay. Python. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. So, Claude, here we are. Whoops. There's that workflow. So, I don't know where this came from. rm startup png. Right? Whoops. Yeah. Write protected? Weird. So they're all gone. So now can I run this npm command with Docker? Oh, okay. Okay. Are they lower res? What? Oh, why does it say filling? Weird. -- data. Okay. Plant uml.png. Converting. Wait, it did 1, 2. It references, and workflow. Where's that filling coming from? Who's doing that? What? What? Okay. So. Let's see. PNG. It looks the same to me. That looks great. Good. So when we convert a PDF, form extraction is complete. You read them. Yes. You configure the interview metadata. You configure Alice. You configure Bob. Hey. Oh. No, I don't think we should do it. Build interview. Configure all fields. I don't like this. I don't want to make it follow it this closely. Build interview definition. There's the validation checkpoint. That's awesome. Key principles. Okay, so no legend. So let's remove the legend. Oops, legend. Okay. I could just edit that out myself. I don't know what I'm thinking. So this build interview definition. And then I think also, yeah. Node. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay. Now, if it's an NPM script, I could move it to a make file, and I guess it doesn't matter. So then, I think that's decent. Let's check some stuff in. Yeah. Experiments. Okay, so now we can render some plant UML. And then with that, I'm going to check in this plant UML though. It's kind of okay. Workflow. Let's do this. It's kind of okay. And then we'll delete PNGs. Oh, I guess if Docker makes it, it does that. The VS Code settings don't matter. Like unfinished plant UML overviews of the skills. That's basically it. So then if I run the npm command again, I want to see, why does it, there was a weird file name coming out, translating, populating, converting, and then workflow, yeah. And then I go here, and it's like changed names, you see? Oh, I think I know why. I think I might know why. The viewer, oh, is the viewer not doing it? Like the viewer may have been doing it. Hold on, let me try this. Okay, they're gone. Run them again. That is so bizarre. I think maybe one of these GUI programs was doing that. Was like holding on to that file name or something like that. That's so bizarre. No. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have to see, but that's cool. But the output's correct. That's a different bug. That's a different issue. Fine. Yep, pretty cool. And I'm doing it with Docker, so that's working. Okay, so let's wrap up. The next one, so I'm like side questing again here. If I go to the plan. Come on. Jeez, why is everything open? Oh, don't save. I'm not saving. I don't know what that was, but I'm not doing it. Okay. Double check. I'm going to keep that. Populating PDF. Yes. Yeah. Let's just say all PDFs. Good. Okay, that'll be the plan for tomorrow. Wrap it up. Gotta go. This is way more time consuming than I thought, although I'm thoroughly enjoying it, so I'm kind of not minding. It's open source. I don't mind. Doing Claude Code skills, I'm kind of swallowing a lot. Doing a Claude Code skill, shipping it as this what is it called? Marketplace. this working with, I think the Chatfield part's basically working, but then wiring it into the Claude Code skill. Having that work consistently, and then also just teaching like getting the prompting for converting PDFs. There's this whole additional unsolved problem of how do you represent like complex PDF forms in the Chatfield data model. And literally no one in the world, in the universe, knows the answer right now. It may be unanswerable. So it's all of that, all of these issues kind of multiply each other's complexities. Okay, pushed it. Good. So let's just read it. Let's check out. So that's November 20. Can I just change this? Yay. Okay. Yeah. This plan UML is basically working. And so my big theory is for the mission to get these Claude Code skills and get consistent behavior and get it working like as if it were software, to that level of like reliability. And so what I've got now is, I believe the kind of experiment I'm running is if you have this language of, this language of UML as a quick overview of how things are going to work, then it's going to work well. This is a good way to capture and contain little workflows. So where was the translating one, I think? References. So the translation at the moment has this validation step, this loop, did all the checks pass? That's important. I want to say that at the outset. Yeah, repeat. You see, yeah, so this repeat concept is in the plant UML language. And so I believe it's, the way I think of it is dense. This is an extremely dense way to communicate what's supposed to happen here. Because the language models know plant UML pretty well enough. They know UML, and all of that. So that's been the progress today, with the goal of making the skill really, not so much the agent, but to ultimately this top level skill, run this PDF reliably. I think it's getting very, very close, so I'm super happy. So is all that pushed up? Push it up? Okay, thank you. We'll do it. I think hopefully I'll find some weekend time. That'll be awesome. I'm looking forward to that. Thank you.